lots to discuss and decide about what you want to do with these, right? You know they're going to come back. They're very resilient. They've been here over 30 years. You've hacked away and they come back. So now it's, you were saying, oh, do you get rid of them, start fresh, or what? And I'm saying, hey, how about bring them down and then see what you think before you get rid of anything. Once you push them back, you've got a lot of real estate here because you said, oh, I want some flowers, right? So bring them in and then you can plant underneath, or you can also bring this out. What I was saying might be really nice is once you kind of define the area, right, with a nice tight edge, this is shady, so a nice row, kind of like 2 layers maybe, of astilbes, the fringed bleeding hearts, maybe some hostas because you have a bunch, and maybe even some Solomon seal. You could put in some daffodils or whatever. Get your flowers in, you know what I mean? But without getting rid of these and starting, because it's a big production to get rid of these. So that's what I would do. Okay.